Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be talking about eSIMs on iPhone. So before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's get started. So as you can see right here on our settings and cellular settings, you can see add eSIM option. So this eSIM is a really new features and it's also really useful. So let's talk about its advantages. Is that when you just in case of theft of your iPhone, what you can do is if you have your eSIM installed in your iPhone and you have enabled your Find My iPhone, your location will get updated immediately. So you can find your iPhone after it gets lost or just stolen. So that's one of its advantages. And for now, let's talk about how many eSIMs an iPhone can have. So if your iPhone is XR and above to iPhone 11, it can hold up to one eSIM and one physical SIM. So after that, if your iPhone is above 12, it can hold two eSIMs or one eSIM and one physical SIM. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.